We're starting to open the machine on the back. The first thing in the morning, turn the machine on. And the machine is turned on. You see the computer is flashing until it's get ready to download all the program and software. Once the software is downloaded, it will stop. The machine just stopped.
Okay, then you can see that now the machine is ready, almost ready for the reference point. That is the first thing that we have to do when the machine is switched on. We need to switch definitely the machine on. You can see that the CNC is already in ref point mode, jog ref point. So we need to switch on the hydraulic unit for X-axis. Be sure that the feed start is on, could be stop. So in this case the axis haven't feed. So this one must be on. So pushing. Another important thing that our override is open to 100. Pushing this push button, the axis start automatically to search the reference point. When this symbol will appear, means that the axis are referenced. That's it. The table was already in the end stroke. That's the reason, because he doesn't move now, right now, to search the position. The table was already in the 0 position. Okay, but it's important. Take a look here. X-axis is hydraulic, so it doesn't have this symbol, but one small value will appear. That means that is referenced. Okay? That's it. Now we can proceed with the normal use of the machine. If we want to move the axis in jog, we will push again this push button and the reference point will disappear. So now, for example, we can move Y in minus, Z in minus, X in minus.
Yeah. Now you want to set the wheel.
Yeah,
on top
but
the
now
wheel.
we
Okay.
we start again. I prefer that they will do it
Sure.
themselves, and I will.
If you want the first time around, when you make the video, you do it, and therefore
Yeah,
then
but-
you do him.
Ted, make a video to do one piece myself is very long.
Okay.
Probably
Okay.
we can stop right now,
Okay.
and we will decide how make a movie in
Okay.
some situation,
Okay.
because otherwise
Will be-
it's complicated.
Prova, Antonio. Okay.
If some messages, some alarm are still on, you can push one reset.
I just set the handle by gentle, so you don't press the wheel.
Very good. Tú no lo has visto ayer, si quieres usar tienes que estar en jog, que es normal, pero también uno de estos dos que son incrementales, que significa que por cada
Okay.
step, por cada paso de la manera, pues mueve de 1 micro o 10 micros. Entonces tú puedes elegir si le pones 10 de ir más rápido, si le pone 1 de bajar o subir, bajar normalmente
Más
un poco
lento.
más lento, despacio. Y entonces tú no lo has visto ayer, estás haciendo.
Yeah, yes.
You didn't see you didn't see yesterday, but if you wanna move the axis, you can use the jog as I show you. But in the case that you use the hand wheel, you must have also or 1 or 10. That means that each step of this hand wheel should be 1 micron or 10 micron. So, and of course, depends which axis you want to move. You have to select the axis connected with the hand wheel that you want to move at this moment.
Y si quieres volver a usar nomás lo quitas para volver a usar
No te lo quitas, tienes que sacarlo tú. Pues si tú quieres, there is another function. If you continue to have 100 or 110 here, for example, or 1, it doesn't matter. Each time that you push the push button plus and minus, you can see the movement on the axis.
So it's optional, you can use this one or this
Yeah. I show you, just we move 1 micron, it doesn't matter, it's not so important, but you have to see here. Yes, Y, because we are selected Y, Z, okay? Of course, if you want to move in jog, natural jog, we can say, normal jog, you have to push once this one, and one of these two will disappear.
Ok, entonces ya tenemos ahí para poner el 0. Ya tenemos.
Okay, so at this point,
Ya está.
yeah.
Nos ponemos el 0.
No. Take
Oh.
it. Yeah. Okay, that doesn't matter. If you push some push button that you
Made a mistake.
wrongly, you push like now, you push it again, and nothing happened. Okay, but you have to go on the Phoenix gun. Yes. Good. Yes.
Ok.
This is the page of the software made by Phoenix. There are also other pages that I explained yesterday. If we have time today, we will repeat. This one is the main page for the normal work of this machine. You have 2 possibilities. But yesterday we use always traversing cycle because the normal job of this machine is to have steps on Y and increment in Z, but you can also use the plunge cycle in the case that you don't need the movement of Y. So just increment like this on the piece with table and Z working. Continue to talk about this page here. It's possible with these 5 keys you can fix the points, memorize the points where the axis of the machine have to start to work. So Antonio push this one, the symbol is enough clear, is the position of Z that you want to put in the memory. So Antonio touch the piece with the wheel and he say, this is my 0, I won't start to work from now. Then go ahead,
Okay.
Antonio. Now Antonio move the y-axis.
Yeah.
Yes. And put in the memory the starting Y position.
Now you're gonna bring it across.
Yeah.
And you give the
The
cross.
and start and Y position.
Push the button. Get clear.
Yeah. Now the start table position and the end table position for it. Good. Now we have to check if our data are okay or not. That depends which kind of job Antonio want to do.
Entonces ahí
Not my okay. So, yes. Okay, that's okay.
That's
Yeah.
how much you want it down to.
Yeah, you can see here the meaning of each data.
quiero cambiarlo.
Si quieres cambiarlo,
Ponemos.
lo puedes borrar con esto
Ok.
y ponerle lo que quieras. Has puesto 2 veces punto, ¿eh? Lo borras todavía. Yes. Good.